Hi, Ethan. So this is a quick video just to show you where you can find more information regarding how to navigate D2L. It's pretty straightforward, so hopefully this will make life a bit easier for you. And the purpose is obviously to help and not to overwhelm. So let me know if you have any questions after this. But right now, you're seeing a picture of our home screen, okay? And here, this is our navigation bar. So when I refer to it, anytime I refer to the navigation bar, this is what I'm referring to. So under discussions right now, at the beginning of, I guess on the Monday, I talked to the students about these really, really handy how-to videos. And if you scroll down, if you look, um, it says honestly, the first icon that comes up is D2L how-to videos. Show me what you know. Um, we do these usually for summer school students, so you don't have to actually post, and the discussion posts aren't open. It says must post first, click on video, etc., etc. Don't worry about all that information. That's not related to this course. I kept it there because what it is related to it is how do I navigate D2L? So if you notice all these little videos, this one just teaches you what D2L does and how to access it, where to find really cool kind of features for it, especially when it has to do with your course. Video 3, if you don't know how to use the discussion posts or replies, it shows you how do I write excellent discussion posts. Video 4 says how do I authorize Google Apps. So if for whatever reason something's blocking up on D2L, these are all like almost like quick little tricks. So you go to if you have any questions. A lot of the students in our class have actually gone through, especially this one, video 5, how do I get organized and submit work? This teaches you how to use Dropbox. This is probably the most important one for you because a lot of students who watch this, they know exactly what to do and how to navigate around it. And then the last one is that's it actually. I think those are the only ones I shared. What is Turnitin, and then cool tools. Anyways, there's a list of videos that you can see that'll help you um, navigate D2L better. So when I was talking to your mom, I told her about these videos. So again, you just click on discussions and it takes you directly to it. If I want to go back to the course homepage, if you feel like, oh my God, I'm lost, I don't know where I am, um, the best tool to use or the best icon on the nav bar is this one. Go back to course home. Once you're back at a course home, you can see everything that's been posted. I talked about the test outline, etc. And the two most used features in D2L or for our course are these two buttons, Course Home and Content. When you click on Content, that's where you get all the lessons. So right now on your screen, you should only have these two tabs available to you because I haven't opened up the rest. What I'd like you to do is just review all the lessons. So if you want to see all the lessons in Unit 1, you just click on the tab and it'll bring down a drop-down menu with, Activity 1, Activity 2, Activity 3, and so forth, Activity 4, etc. Go through especially from Activity 3 on, because this is where the actual lessons start, introducing integers, and then integer sum and difference, integer products and quotients, and exponent experts, and then I've got the power, and then percents, ratios, and rates. I'd like you to actually look through all of those, see how comfortable you feel with the material. If you're, okay, I get this, I know it, but maybe I need a bit more practice, that's what you're going to tell me. I just need practice. If for whatever reason this is completely new, you've never seen it, this is the first time you're seeing it, this is where I need to be, I need you and mom to be very specific with me and say, okay, I need to learn this. Once I have that information, I can prepare everything so that we can have some private one-on-one sessions, and hopefully I can get you on track with this. Just because when we come back the following week, I'd like you to do this slowly during the week, because when we get back, not this coming week, but the following, we're going to move on to Unit 2 and 3, which are a little bit more in depth. So I want you to be successful, but at the same time, not get overwhelmed. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, Mom has my number. I'm available over the weekend. Or you can just email me. I check my email all the time. It's always on me. So, yeah. Other than that, have a great weekend and see you on October 13th, I believe. Take care. Bye.